I am already in my Zoom, meaning I'm about to start. It starts at 8 and it is 7:59 right now. So this is my first class this semester, 8 a.m. class. I did not know it was 8 a.m. Well, I didn't realize until now. So let's see how it goes. Heading to my second class, psychology, and it is cold. I am already in my government class. Maria is doing her assignment. Well, she's trying to do her assignment, but the Wi-Fi is still here. You want to say something, Maria?
No, good.
I'm sleepy. The psychology class was very soothing because his voice was soothing, but it was good. I mean, he talked a lot, but we didn't do anything. We just sat there and listened to him, which was good. I mean, I didn't really want to do anything. And now I'm in this Zoom class listening to him saying that he has to go through the whole book this semester. And after this, we're gonna go eat lunch because it's gonna be 12 after this class. We're gonna get Subway. And we're still in the same building as my psychology class. And it is very bright here. We're Subway for this this is the second time in our last semester. We're gonna get a meatball sandwich. We're just waiting to get called. We already grabbed it. We came here to grab a snack and a free shirt. And we're about to eat our Subway sandwiches. We're gonna watch EXO Kitty. I am starving. I am already finished with half of my assignments. I need to finish my other assignments, but I'm gonna finish them when I get home because it is already late. It's getting late, and I have to be home a little earlier because we're gonna go to un mandado. So it's ready for something. I think it's 4:30. So I'm heading home. Well, I'm heading to the bus right now, and I'm tired already. My brain hurts, but let's catch this bus. I have to cross the street to get to the bus stop, but there's a lot of cars coming. The bus is already coming, thankfully, because I'm freezing here. Oh my gosh. I just got home and I am tired and it got a little bit more cold. I'm gonna eat and then I have to finish some homework. So start my next class. I don't know if you can really hear me because the air in the library is on, or the heater in the library is on, and it's very warm. But I have this jacket. I have two jackets, but I'm watching cameras. I don't know why I have it like that, just so you can see something besides my face. But either way, I go to my psychology class. This was just soothing. I don't know like if that's, I don't know if y'all understand, but like my fresh voice is like old, and his voice, he was talking, I was just like listening, and I just fell asleep. I wasn't in the work because I thought I was telling students, but that's the type of one. We got the goods. Oh, Maria, we got the McDonald's. And we're going back to the building because I'm still in my Zoom meeting. But we're gonna eat already. I'll grab it if you want. We got our things out. I got a cheeseburger, a chicken nuggets, fries, McFlurry, and a Dr. Pepper, and it exploded.
Oh, yeah,
And they gave me my skirt. How is it, Maria? Got M&M's. We're gonna watch EXO Kitty. I'm just waiting. Oh, sorry. I'm waiting for my class to finish. It's already 11:52. Almost finished. Maria already started. She's super.
Hey, this is dessert. Well, first I should eat and then dessert.
I probably wasn't. I just got out of the cafeteria. I was doing an assignment and I'm heading to the bus right now. It is looking very empty because it is like 4, about to be 5, so there's like no one. There are some people left, surprisingly, over there in the cafeteria, and it rained and I don't even know, so let's hope it doesn't rain. Let's hope it doesn't rain while and waiting for the bus. So my sister Haley, she got me some chetos con queso. She's right over here, and it's already like it's 9:36, and I'm gonna eat the snack while I do my homework. We're gonna do homework together. Don't mind my hair, and I'm almost done with my notes. This is what I have so far. Starting the summary. Haley is doing her. What class is this for? I have no idea. Oh, marketing class. Like I said, I'm not really sure right now. My sisters, we're gonna get some boba from Delicious Cafe, and there's like people there. What did you order, Haley? A cheesecake. She got a cheesecake, and you came here for boba. But I mean, it's like cool since it's like Friday. I like the lights though. Makes it look more cozy. I mean, it's not that. It's not even cold, but.
Brenda's on her phone. What you get, Brenda?
Mango juice with mango jelly, and we're waiting for order. We got our boba. I got the mango blend, the topping boba, and Brenda got
Mango juice with mango gelatin.
And Haley got, like I said, she got her cheesecake. Yeah, that's a whole. I just got to school like a few minutes ago, and I'm literally really late to class because it is foggy, and I am going to my building with my psychology classes because there's like a kind of a creep in where the library is at, sorry, and I don't want to be there, so I'm meeting Maria in my building. We got from this new place we're trying out something new. Our Uber just came. I think that's mine. It's from this place. I saw my English professor. He said hi. I'm like,
With the cheese. It's there.
look at those chili cheese fries.
You know, instead of watching movies, we should just.
It is literally raining a lot, and I'm waiting for my bus. It comes like in 10 more minutes, but here I am, just waiting. And it's been foggy the whole day, like y'all saw in the video. I mean, in the beginning of today. So it rained. It's still raining. It's drizzling right now, which is good. Because at least it's not raining hard. We are thrifting. I'm not sure you can hear me. I'm sorry. And it's hot. I found this really cute basket. And we found this Snoopy thing. It says Happy Birthday Veronica. I'm not Veronica, but I'll just erase it. It's super cute. And we're just looking around still because there's like other baskets. And this is very tiny, but like it will be cute. Since I want to do like a little picnic, so I'm just looking for one that has like a la tapa, a lid, or top, whatever. It's a shoe, I think, but here we are at Goodwill. It's really good.
It's really good. We just finished, she already finished one pizza. I'm in my second pizza. And I'm already in. It is their walk time and we are at the park. I think it's like 5 something. It might be about to be 5:30. And Hailey, she doesn't know where her phone is at. But Toby almost escaped because this thing got loose. And it's a beautiful afternoon in the park.